What's up guys, Junior here with NA Mustangs, bringing you back another video. Today's video we're going to be working on the Saleen. As you can tell, I kind of cleaned up the headlights, but they're still kind of yellowish. I do love the fact that they're gray internal to match the truck, but gotta get something a little more spicy. So, ended up picking these up. There's some Spec-d Headlights. They're the black clear. And then what's nice about these is these don't only light up white, but also when you turn on your blinker, it flows amber. So it switches, it's kind of like a switchback. So we're going to go ahead and throw these on. It should be literally a couple bolts, or nuts, bolts. Phase 3, you got to take this off. They should come right off. Stop anyone's on. I did end up getting LED bulbs meant for projectors to throw on these headlights with the projectors. Since I'm taking them off, might as well do that. So we're getting on to the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any new videos. I hope you guys like the new truck, by the way. If this video, once this video goes live, the truck have been unveiled by now. Little by little, we're gonna be spicing it up a little bit, cleaning it up a little bit. Headlights is what's first. I do need to do the dome light I was seeing. It's kind of, I don't know if someone left the lights on at some point or something. So I need to replace that next, and then I might need some pulleys here and there, so I might need to do an oil change. So we'll do videos starting now that the truck's introduced from here on out. I don't know if maybe the headlights are kind of an upgrade since I had to replace them. But I wonder if I'll do any performance upgrades as of yet. As of now, the truck's running good. So stay tuned.
Music bed.
Alright guys, so I got the headlight off. Like I said, it's actually just 3 bolts. So we have one right here. Then this one, just a simple Phillips. You take it off from this clip right here, and then you can just pull it back, and then you got 2 more screws. And then simply you just gotta unplug all the light bulbs in there, take them off, and then with these headlights, you only use 2 of them. The one for the blinker and the one for the headlights. Nah, these don't have a side marker. As you can see, it's just a reflector. So simple install. I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. The LEDs, unfortunately, do not work because of this reason right here. They have to fit in this casing right here, and that's not going to happen. And I was going to throw them on like that. I did put them on, but I don't want dirt or anything getting in there. So, as you can see, the blinker flows like I mentioned earlier. And then when we turn off the hazards, stays solid white. So that's what it's gonna look like. I need to do the other side still, but I will say it looks very aggressive and clean. Let's see. I don't know, but just gotta order some LEDs, probably some small ones. I know on my Roush, when I had some projector headlights, I got some LEDs that were tiny little bulbs. So I need to reorder these. I'll probably return these to Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on the other headlight, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like all completed. Alright, so we finished installing the headlights. Gotta say they look really, really good on the truck. I definitely love that look. Just a tech tip. When you do new headlights, sometimes they're going to either be pointing up, down. They may be perfect, you don't know. These ones actually have an adjuster. So this one's right here. So this is if I had a Phillips over there. You can just do like a Phillips on those little teeth and then go up or down. And then it looks like you can adjust the brights as well. So obviously at night is when I'll really know once I drive it if they need to go up or down. But as of now, headlights are on. Quick 10-20 minute install. I didn't end up doing the LEDs. I'm gonna actually have to return them because the little resistor that they have, all the wiring and stuff, it's not gonna fit. It's too bulky. I don't want dust getting in there and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go and return them. I got just some simple ones that look just like the stock bulb to put in there. Also, I was incorrect again. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier. I said you only use 2 of the pigtails. I lied. There is actually a hidden slot for the little bulb, so this does light up as well like the factory ones. So make sure you plug that one in. It's hidden, it was covered with black tape, so make sure you unplug that to do that. But other than that, they look really, really sleek, clean. We'll do the hazards. Man, I gotta love that. That looks really sleek. And then of course when you turn your headlights on, here I'll turn them on. You get the white. So that just looks incredible. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna try to do more, or we're gonna try to do more content on the Saleen here. I am gonna do a road trip here soon, so we're gonna do probably, well, pulleys kind of squeaks every now and then, so I'll do probably the pulleys, check the belts. I'm gonna do an oil change, so first oil change on this. I know the dealership has a sticker on it that they did it, but I'm still gonna do it just for precaution. You never know, you know. Do that, and then other than that, the truck should be ready to go. It's been running solid as of now. Runs good. Other than this, I do need to get, like I mentioned, I need to get the brake light, because you can see the little like humps. I don't know if they left the lights on or something. Kind of melted, so I might get some off Amazon. Those headlights, again, I'm gonna do a link in the description. Got them off of eBay for like 250 bucks, and as you can see, they're really, really cool. For the bang for your buck, honestly. Mine weren't bad, the factory ones, but they're already yellowing, and I was gonna go for the factory gray like this truck had, but gotta admit, those see, what do you call them, flowing turn signal or whatever headlights with the projectors look sleek. So I might as well touch it up a little bit. You gotta give it a little bit of a slight touch, differentiate from all the other S331s out there. Kind of give it my own personal touch. So after those, I'm gonna do the dome light. I'm gonna do the maintenance on it. I might tail lights, I don't know, these have LEDs in them actually, the bulb itself, and they look clean. They're not fading or anything, but I don't know. The third brake light is smoked at the moment. I don't know if even, maybe these were the factories and they took them off when they turned it in or something, I don't know. But since I'm gonna get the third brake light, I don't know if I'm gonna get smoked or just clear with black like the headlights with the white. I know they have some white LED ones, or do those and do white with the white, or black, I mean clear black with the white like LED C-bar or whatever you want to call them. So I don't know yet. Or get some red ones with the LED and the red LED third brake light. Still haven't decided. This is gonna be a short video. Actually, the install it's a fairly easy install. I mean, 3 nuts on each side and boom boom, one bam. I'm gonna, at night once I drive it, I'll see how the headlights are and then gotta adjust it. I know that you have to go up to a wall that's perfectly level, and then go 25 feet, I believe, behind, and then measure some sort of distance up, and then adjust them from there. That's the legal way. That way you don't get, if you have like I'm gonna end up doing LEDs. If you have bright headlights, I guess you're not supposed to have them higher than a certain point. So I'll do that eventually. I don't know if I'll show it in this video. Probably not. I might just drive it. If it looks good, I might either go up or down a couple turns in there, drive it, see what happens. But as always, thanks for watching again. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We did hit 1,000 subscribers, which we thank you all a lot. We do have another project incoming. It's going to be something you guys I think will like, and it's going to be a full project. So it's going to have a whole series on the YouTube channel, and then of course we have the Saleen now. We have Alexa's Saleen, Mustang, then we have my Roush, and then whatever else we work on from here and there. So thank you for the support, and I hope you like this video, and catch you in the next time.